Hey y'all, it's Sahar and I'm back with another video, and today I will be giving y'all 10 products that are black owned. That is right, black owned. You know, everybody's on the wave, which should stay a wave of supporting black business. I thought that I would share 10 products that I just said, 10 products that are all black owned. You know, we can just be on this uplifting, positive, unifying. If you know me, you know I'm all about my people, and one of the best ways that we can help each other is by redirecting where we spend our money and putting it back into our own community. So without rambling on too much, I'm gonna get into these products. I'll tell y'all the line that I used, the product that I used, link everything down below, and let's get into it. So number one, Allocate Naturals. This is a line that I've only used once. I used the curl reviving spray, but honestly it's the best curl reviving spray I've ever used. I only got it once, and I still haven't used it since I ran through my last bottle, but I will be purchasing again because I am looking for a curl reviving spray. Their product contains natural and organic ingredients, which is a huge plus obviously, and I highly recommend their curl reviving spray. I can't really speak on their other products, which I'm sure are amazing as well. So number two is Eden Body Works. I use their coconut shea hair mask from their line. That's the only thing I've ever used. It was a while ago too, so I can't tell you exactly how it was on my hair, but I do remember that I used the whole thing, and if it was shitty, I wouldn't use the whole thing. So I do recommend them as well, and black owned. This is a sulfate-free, paraben-free product, so I recommend it. Number three is Teigen. Now this is a line that I can get down with. Like, I use this a lot. So from the Teigen brand, I've used the Honey Miracle Mask. I've used the Curl Refreshing Spray. I've used it's called Miracle Repair X Curl Protein Reconstruction. And I've also used their green tea. It's like in a pink bottle. It's a green tea leave-in, which I love as well. And I've also used their Curl Bomb Styling Gel. So my favorite products from their line is the gel and the Honey Miracle Deep Conditioner. I love that thing. It smells so good and it works so well. Like, it makes your hair soft, does what it's supposed to do. The Curl Refreshing Spray, I can't really say I love. I think it might just be because it doesn't mix well with my products that I usually put in my hair. It kind of leaves my hair white a little bit. And their leave-in works well too. I've used it for my braid outs. And yeah, Teigen's just that bitch, basically. The next line is my favorite. It's the Miele line. I use the pomegranate honey leave-in conditioner, and if you know me, you know I always use it for my wash and goes. It's in my hair right now. It's in my hair whenever you see it popping, whenever it's not frizzy, and whenever my curls are defined. That's what's in my hair because that's my go-to. That's like my fallback. This is my ride or die leave-in, and it's made for type 4 hair, so what's better than that? So I will recommend this product to the day I die. It is great. It smells beyond phenomenal, and what else can I say? I mean, but it is the only line, the only product I've used from the Miele products, but I'm sure the rest of their products are bomb as shit, because that shit is bomb as shit. So the next line is Jincar Solution. What I've used from this line is the spray leave-in conditioner, and it's a gel. Let me look up the gel. So the gel that I use is called Coiling All Curls, and it's an elongating gel. And I used this gel a few years ago before I really knew how to do my hair, and I remember I had a really good wash and go. But I only think I used it once since then because I use so much of it that it's like I spend what, $14 for 2 washes when I can just use like Eco Styler. It's like doesn't leave your hair crunchy. It gives you such good definition, but it never leaves my hair crunchy. That's what I love about it, so I recommend. So the sixth hairline is Kinky Curly, and this is a product line that I've been using since I started going natural, and probably even before that when my grandma used to do my hair. The 2 products that I use from this line are the Not Today leave-in, which I fucking love. Even to this day, I love that shit. Like, to me it's like second to the Miele line. Like, I'll use Miele first, and then if not, then I'll use that. but it has so much slip to it. The other product that I've used is the curling custard. I haven't used it for a while, so I can't really tell y'all exactly how it worked, but I do know I had it. I've used it. I do still like this line though. Those are the only 2 products I've used, but it's black owned and that's what this is about. Then we have Camille Rose Naturals, I believe. So from this line I've used the twisting butter. It's like almond twisting butter. I've used the coconut water leave-in conditioner. And I actually haven't used another one, but I've heard about the honey leave-in. And I have 2 friends that have like similar hair to me and they both love it. So I'm actually really excited to try it. So the next line, which I used to love when I was little, is Miss Jessies. Again, this is another one that like I would definitely buy it more if it wasn't so expensive, but it is. But the products that I've used from it is curly pudding, which I used to use a lot when I was little. It smells really good. All their products smell really good. Curly pudding. There's the Pillow Soft curls. Oh my god, I love that shit. And I use that a lot I used to use it for my perm rod sets, and it used to leave my hair so soft. I've used Pillow Soft curls, which again smells really good, and I think I used that for a perm rod set as well. And I also used the coily custard. And not only do these products smell amazing, but the packaging is so cute. Like, I don't know why I love it. It's just like the colors pop so much and it's really cute, and then it's like also a really good product. So there you go. So the 8th product on my list is curls, and I love this line or brand. I've been using it forever, and again, it's one of those ones that smells super good. The packaging is super cute and it's a good product. So what I've used from this line, Blueberry Bliss Gel. That is amazing. I had this wash and go my freshman year where I used it, and girl, it was like I had like all S curls. Like, it was when my hair was like way healthier, but like I had pictures of it and like it was so voluminous. Another product that I've used for my perm rod sets, the Creme Brulee leave-in conditioner. I think it's a leave-in. I've also used their edge control paste. I think I had like passion fruit, and that's what I used to use when I first started doing my edges. I think now I just use like, I know that now I just use Eco or whatever, this Boost. I think I just bought it. It's like this Boost gel, but it definitely works. I used to use it and I just stopped because it's at the bottom of a bin now somewhere in the midst of all my products. So I've also used their sculpting gel. I've used their sculpting gel, and I think I've only tried the green one so far, but I didn't really like it. I wouldn't recommend it for people with my type of hair. It just didn't feel like it had any slip in my hair. Like, it felt just too dry for my hair personally. And last but not least, Mixed Chicks. This line I have not used a lot. I think I only used their leave-in conditioner, and it worked. It definitely worked, but it didn't do, you know, everything I wanted to do for my hair. It didn't have like, I need my hair to be drenched, and it didn't drench my hair. But I guess that's why it's like Mixed Chicks, because it's for, I guess, girls with more thinner, finer curls, and I feel like that would work better for someone like that. But for me, it wasn't like, oh my god, like blow me out the water, this is amazing. But it did it. It did the job. So that concludes my list of black owned hair product lines. I'm super excited to upload this because I'm black. I'm black. You might be black. My friends are black. So if you've used any of these products, let me know what you've used, and let me know if there's any that I missed, any hairlines that are black owned that I missed, any products that are really good that I missed. Let me know in the comments below. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I love all my supporters. No, but for real, I really appreciate everyone supporting my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Tune in next time for my next video, because I will be back. You're not getting rid of me that easy.